What's up?
Hey, hey.
Morning.
Looks like you guys have been here for a while.
Yeah.
Just got in.
I blinked and just said GJ trade.
Man, there was no confirmations though.
Yeah.
I was looking
messed
for.
up. I messed up.
15 minutes.
You know what I did?
What happened?
I had a zone that I was not gonna. I put as no trade zone, like basically in that middle between dairy that L has, the line between the lines. No, not that. That was a no. Hold on. Yeah, that was a trade. Yeah, that was no trading zone. And basically once the Raja got in, I got FOMO and I got in.
Oh, the buy?
Yeah. It was
Yeah,
so
I
stupid
didn't
because I
take
already
those
like
buys. I
said
didn't feel comfortable.
I already
was
typed no trading zone on it and I got in and then yeah. So I punished myself with no trading no more. So I'm not trading today.
So
I'm done for
if you look on the 15 minute on GJ, that small pullback that I had to 137 or 32. That's what I was looking at. I was waiting for it to come back down, but I literally looked away from my screen for like 3 seconds, and when I came back, it was tanked.
Yeah, there's just no confirmations. I'm looking at it even on the 15, right? Let me see. So like even like this right here, right? This was support, right? Ideally, like you want to close below here to continue going down. So this candle closed here. So like this is too big of a stop loss. You can take it to down here. So I didn't enter. I would wait now for some type of resistance to be formed to take it back down to the low.
Yeah, Kevin. So earlier on this, right? If you just look at the 1 hour, at that entry that Raja took, the 1 hour was still bearish. So don't take buys into a bearish candle. It's very dangerous. Because the first
it
one
was
we
really a
saw,
bad range. It was not a good range. On the 30 minute you could see price was going down and I just got FOMO.
yeah. Yeah.
Lately I've been like every time I try to go against my analysis and take a Rogers trade, I would lose. I had that happen last time. One other trade where I had analysis. I had my own analysis. It was different than Rogers, and then I took Rogers trade, and then we lost. that trade lost. So I was like, okay, but I guess I didn't learn my lesson.
Hey, Eleanor, can you look at the daily?
Yeah.
So I'm like looking at it now on the daily. It could potentially do a wick fill on the daily for this candle.
Oops, sorry, my bad.
To fill that, which is around, what is that? 20 pips. Yeah, 22 pip range.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
You want to trade it short to this area. Let me see.
Because we technically are breaking a daily resistance. Or a daily support, sorry. We are breaking a daily support. If you look at the daily, right? So this area right here, that was daily support, right?
Yeah.
And we broke it right here, so ideally we should fill this
Fill
wick,
the wick,
right?
yeah, correct. And if you look at the 30 and the 1 hour, right? Or rather just look at the 1 hour, it's cleaner. So you are just looking to fill this area now.
I was looking for to here.
To where?
That fader king.
Yeah, I mean this range is 20 pips, so I feel like it should be good enough to fill with momentum and all that.
Yeah, maybe. But would you wait for the retest or you just take it on the break?
I don't even know. I feel like I'm not even gonna trade today, honestly.
Yeah, I almost didn't want to start the stream because I feel like if I start the stream, someone's gonna have itchy hands.
I mean, it's still early in the week. We still have Wednesday, Thursday.
Yeah.
Those are good trading days.
Yeah. Ooh, what's happening there?
What is that?
Fabian, 1 second, yeah? Let's see.
Wow.
Price broke support, didn't take an entry when price came up, broke previous candle higher, closed down. What's this? Okay, it looks like you had some kind of. This is a 15-minute chart. Well, firstly, this resistance is not really off anything because you technically don't really have any zones there, right? But if you wanted to like see some kind of zone, then maybe this would be it, but it's a minor zone. So I guess because of all the bearish momentum, it just carried the trade down. Yeah, you were just in the right direction. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Because I was looking at like this website, there was just, I think there was some meeting, and then they kept talking about Brexit. And gold kept dropping because Johnson & Johnson kept talking as well.
Johnson & Johnson is gonna cause a zombie apocalypse.
Nah, Fabian, I don't think it's luck. I think you just took it. You took. Okay, I don't know whether you saw this zone that I drew up here. If you did, then it's not luck, right? Because there is a zone. It's just momentum helped as well.
I got it.
Doesn't sometimes like when prices and momentum like on the lower time frame, price would just retrace a little bit, create like a short like that small resistance if it's going down, and then it just keeps on going.
Yeah, it might create a wick.
Yeah, but I think that's what happened, and I think he caught it. It was a good trade. That was a good trade.
Let me see.
Because price did break that small 15-minute support, and then came back, retraced, and basically tested it.
Yeah, it was this one here.
With the wick, yeah, the both, yeah. So.
Yeah, Fabian, see, if you look at my chart, right, there was a 1 hour zone that I think you traded off. So you might have missed the zone. I think you had it somewhere here. I don't know what the orange line means, but for me I had. So your 15-minute candle was this one, right?
Yeah.
So it was,
well, actually, I have it marked in my MT4, but I didn't have it in Tradingview.
Oh, okay.
The lines are my support and resistance. What I saw there was that the past 30-minute candles were going down in a bearish momentum, and in the 15 minutes, I saw like a rejection there. So that's why I entered over there.
But you entered off the 30 or the 15?
I took the entry on the 15, but I mean I managed it on the 15, but I entered in the 30.
Oh, so you were waiting for this wick to test?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, then that's not lucky. It was yeah, you were just, I think you were trading the momentum. That's all. So you just, as long as you waited for this test and then price to break, right? Then you put the probabilities in your favor.
Yeah, I was expecting that wick to get filled on the 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then it's not luck, yeah. Because your zones look about right. It's just, I think, this area that we both have, this one here. So your orange zone that we both have, right? It's just a huge zone. It's just that our numbers are slightly different, but the zone is about there.
Okay.
Yeah. So don't worry, it's not luck.
Thanks.
Yeah. I think luck would have been if you just entered on the close and you didn't wait for the wick. Yeah.
Get some love. Come back and go to GJ. See your levels.
Joa, do you say something?
Sorry about that. I was thinking about going in on the 15, but earlier, but I was traumatized from last week.
On GJ?
Yeah.
What 15 where though?
It would have been the 137.23. Yeah, right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
as soon as it broke the previous on that level, but I mean, it's just this time around the momentum just took it down. But
yeah, yeah. If you took an impulse entry here, right, you'll be trading the bottom of the wicks.
Yeah.
So yeah, scary. Yeah.
I'm just glad we're starting to see some volume again. So.
Yeah.
Congrats on your trade, by the way. on Friday.
Who, me?
Brandon.
Oh yeah, yeah. It went all the way up, 37.
Are you talking about that? Oh, that Friday trade?
Yeah, you had your buy stops, right, and then went all the way to profit, right?
Yeah, it worked out very well.
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah. Congrats.
Yeah.
Hey, Joe.
I'm in GU right now. I took GU down about 25 pips or so, and I've got a risk-free trade on right now. I'm targeting 129.500. I set up some sell stops.
Yeah, you caught the clean candles down.
Yeah, I was gonna trade GJ, but GJ didn't have the clean traffic that GU did.
Yeah. Yeah, correct. Nice. 29.5. Oh, here, somewhere to the top here.
Yeah, I have my target. On the. My target is 500, so it's a few pips above. It's a few pips above these lows right here. So I have my target like right there. And then I already took profit on one, like up here. And then I entered. Let's see. Entered at 970. I entered at 880, and I entered at 770.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I entered somewhere up there. I don't know.
Somewhere near the yellow line.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I know you put like, so this would have been the support that you wanted to avoid, right? So you put it some buffer down, I think. That's the way you enter your pendings.
Yeah, my first pending was like 8 pips below, and then the next one after that was another 8 pips below that one, and then the last one was another 8 pips below that one.
Yeah, nice catch. I think your trades work out the best when when the GBPs just vomit. They vomit pips.
I mean, we talked about this on the previous stream, right? We said that we're gonna feel there's gonna be some moves today.
Let me just find out how dangerous this is. I could kill you.
Let me die.
That's GJ saying, "Let me die."
And DJ needs to pull back.
Yeah, I don't like how there's not any top wicks forming.
Yeah. I personally did not catch anything. Nada for me today.
Yeah, don't worry, you're not the only one. As long as you didn't lose today, I think it's good. Can you imagine you went long and then piak, Immediately flipped against you.
No, like when Roger entered a trade, I was like, I don't feel good about it. I don't know.
That was the exact same trade we were looking at. We didn't enter because the 1 hour was bearish, remember? And then the next hour formed, it was also bearish. So it's the same thing. So if you didn't take the first one and you took the second one, if it stopped you out, then it's kind of asking for it, I think.
No, I didn't even enter, honestly. I was like, it's a risky trade. I'm not willing to risk it.
Yeah.
So I didn't enter. And the sales happened with no confirmations. I'm sitting over here playing poker on my phone. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, I just want to see some type of resistance form here. Probably take it down to 136.5 area.
Yeah, honestly, I would just want it to close below here, because this close would be below here, and then just take it back down to here to fill that daily wick fill. That's what I'll look at, but I'll look at in the smaller time frames to see like a stop loss. Yeah. But if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen.
Yeah. Trend is bullish, but if it closes below 301, I may take a shot. What's this MA? If you short TP1 at 29.79.2, oh, I think you might face some problems with your MA.
What are those dots?
Moon phases.
Right?
I don't know. I know it's some indicator. I've seen it before. I just forgot the name.
That's the first time. I've seen everything. I haven't seen that.
I think it's something like the, you know, the Bollinger Bands, but in like dot version.
Oh.
Yeah, something like that.
I think that that lower MA is probably the 200.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so too. That's why if he's trade, because like the TP is here, so he's gonna hit his MA and then the price might bounce. So that's why just be careful. Because if you put your MAs there, you gotta respect your MAs. So if you look at like this dark blue, black, gray, purple line, whatever this is, look at how price respects it, goes back up. Price pulls down, comes back up again. So yeah, I would just be careful.
I remember when I was taking a statistics class in school, I actually started like digging in deeper to moving averages and Bollinger Bands, and like they actually do work if you know what you're doing. But if you just use them just as an indicator for entries, you're never gonna be able to take any type of profit.
It's the pullback. Mikhail, what is IDE? It's the pullback at 137, 120. What's that? What's one? Yeah, Mikhail. I don't understand your message. Help. How much did gold melt? Let's see.
Enough.
Whoa, look at that. 263.
Holy cow, that's pips right there.
Yeah, this number.
Oh my gosh.
200 some pips, yeah.
And look left. I think maybe 1865. 1865 might come down. I know someone from Zoom took buys. Oh, bye account. On gold, Leroy. Shit.
Yeah,
Fair.
probably would not have taken that trade on gold.
Oh, this is equally bad, man. Buys on GJ is equally bad. Farewell account.
Alright, come on, we can push down like 15 more pips or so. Let's go.
GU, right?
Yeah. I want us to push down 15 more pips. Got my stop loss at break even. I don't want it to come up and hit my stop loss at break even. I already secured some, so. But I made a mistake. I took off one of the positions. So I had 3 position sell stops on, and I took off one of them. So I made a mistake on my trading plan.
Ooh.
But I took profit on one of them where I was supposed to, and then now I'm still holding one at break even right now. So yeah. I'm judging myself based off of not how much money I make today. I'm judging myself based off of how disciplined I was to my trading plan today. You know, that's how it should be. You should you know, see what mistakes that you made on your trading plan. That's how you're going to progress as a trader, not based off of how much money you make. So there's room for improvement for me today, but I'm not going to make any more mistakes today. I'm done. If it comes up and hits me at break even, you know, then it hits me at break even. It goes and hits my take profit, then it hits me at take profit. All I know is that if I do that, then I did my job and I let my trade breathe and do its thing. I didn't try to interfere with it or anything. I just let my analysis play out the way I planned it to, the way, you know, my trade idea, just let it play out the way I wanted it to.
It's almost filling that wick right now on the daily. Yep, 800 looks about right. But I'm not taking anything.
Does anyone know if Magic Keys works for pending orders?
Yes.
Oh, it does?
Like on setting pending orders?
No. Oh, for managing.
Yeah, it closes everything. So if you close 50%, it closes every open position.
Oh.
Yeah, so be careful.
Oh, yeah. That's why I was scared of doing it.
I think GU might face some resistance here. Jimmy, at this, maybe this area here, because if you look at the 1 hour, it was previous resistance. So yeah.
Yeah, it might, yeah, for sure.
Okay, there we go, GJ, finally.
Hmm.
Getting a 15-minute close. Bullish. Just something bullish.
If I do take anything, it has to be a 30-minute close, I think. Did I just see his name pop up again? Oh shit. Look. He's speaking. Oh god. When we thought we got a break, I just saw it. Oh man, oh man. Bailey is speaking, everyone.
10 a.m. Eastern. How much longer?
I think it's now. He's speaking now.
Okay. Let him say anything positive about Brexit. Watch the shit fly all the way up. Correct the whole move.
Yeah, Alexi.
Sorry, Eleanor, good morning.
Hey, morning.
Hey, you didn't enter right now in long?
No.
In GJ?
No trades at all. Bailey is speaking.
Oh.
Yeah. And this 30-minute candle hasn't closed. This one.
But I was looking that the previous 30-minute candle doesn't have any top wick. And the actual one just broke the high of that one after reject the
137.
The 137. Yeah. So that's why I was looking for an entry, but no, that guy is speaking up. No.
I think even if he's not speaking, right, entering an impulse entry when the bearish move is so obviously strong is dangerous. Probably need to wait for the candle to close also. Yeah, because he might wake up, grab liquidity, and then come back down again. Yeah. I think it was unscheduled. I don't see it on Forex Factory. Yeah. It's a last minute. Oh wait, is this economic affairs? 10 o'clock. I don't see it. Yeah. Oh wells. Yeah, but he's speaking, so please.
So I think like last night, like 4-hour structure on GJ last night, like it was consolidating, and it made sense for it to continue bullish from the 137.280 level, right? You know, like a break and retest to continue its bullish 4-hour structure. But once, like, so we had this high form right here, and then we had this higher low, and then we had this lower high form right here during Asian yesterday. And then we had this higher low form. So at this point, I mean, we're just consolidating at this point. So I had some buy stops up here, all targeting this point right here at the top, 138.200. So so those didn't play out, and so we ended up holding and consolidating right here, and then, you know, we're not continuing the higher high, higher low structure on the 4-hour once this candle closed like that. And so the next logical level is down here. So maybe that can help someone out there, you know, follow the higher high and the 4-hour structure, and that might be able to help you with your trades. That definitely helped me this morning catch this trade.
You're looking at this clean area here, right? On the left?
Oh, for the buy stops?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah.
So Bailey just said that he basically doesn't see the recovery being as strong as people think it's going to be.
Okay, so it's gonna drop.
Yeah, Leroy, same. After seeing this big drop, right, it's really tough to trade it. Especially even if we look on the higher time frame, it's just not clean coming down also.
Let's go.
Short. Price coming down is good for you, Brendan. The more bearish Bailey is, the better for you.
Come on, bearish Bailey. Go.
Bearish Bailey.
Let's go. We need 15 more pips. That's not too much, right?
No.
15 pips? That's kind of a lot, actually. Some people just aim for 10 pips.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, come on, let's go. Come on, come on. We need some juice right now.
Yeah, Nick, I see it. Traps. I like that word. Oh, gold is still dropping, man.
What? Oh my gosh, wow.
Oh my god.
So far.
What is happening?
Is 300 pips yet?
I think so. From here, let's see, from here. Oh, yes.
Oh gosh, that's crazy.
Yeah. Like, we just look, so just now I was saying like 180, 1885, right? Because this is 1 hour support. So I think it's gonna smash through. What in the world?
Yeah. That's a pretty big move. That's pretty massive.
Yeah.
Alright, come on, GU. We got 10 pips. So I don't want to. I'm not gonna wait for the spread to catch up. I'm just gonna close it right when it comes back. Right when it comes down there.
Yeah.
Because the spread on GU is like 3 pips. Damn.
3?
Yeah, for my brokerage it's 3 pips.
Wow, that's expensive. You have no comms, no commissions, right?
Yeah, or actually, no, I still have commissions, just really low commissions.
Mm.
What about you?
My spread on GU is like 0.3 to 0.5.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, but my comms is 7 per lot. So yours might be lesser. Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what mine is. I've never traded one lots before.
No, it's what should I put it? It depends. It just gets. It's proportional. Yes, that's the word. It's proportional.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So let's see right now. So I guess it looks like it was it'd be $7, I think. Yeah.
Yours
Yeah,
is
because
7.
So I just traded a 11-cent lot and I closed it, and it was commission was 88 cents.
Oh, then that's the same as me.
Yeah. So it'd be $7 for a lot, right?
Yeah. Then your broker's expensive, man.
Shit. I thought.
Are you sure it's 3 and not 0.3? Because on MetaTrader, right, under the spread column, if it's single digit, you need to add a decimal in front of it.
It's 3 pip spread. I mean, right now, if I want to buy GU, then I'm gonna be buying, or if I want to buy GU, I'm gonna buy at like 630.
If you buy it, it will be at 630.
Yeah, or 6.
Oh damn,
630,
that's
630.
expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's expensive.
I only trade GJ though, and GJ has pretty good spreads. Usually it's only about 1 pip, 1.3 pips or something like that.
Same.
Yeah. So it doesn't really matter since I pretty much only trade GJ. But yeah, it's kind of hard to find good brokers here in the U.S. I'm in the U.S. There's so many regulations.
Which broker do you use now?
Right now I'm using LMFX, which is out of like Eastern Europe, but they follow U.S. regulations. And they're like the best I've found. It's really hard to find good brokers over here in the U.S.
Yeah,
my commissions are like super small on Forex.com, but the spread is a little big. Like right now, I have like a 3.5 pip spread on GJ, but my commission is only $3 a lot. So
yeah, I have had Forex.com before, and I don't know. I don't like the big spreads. Those are really big spreads for scalping, especially if you're trying to scalp.
How about like Ted's broker and stuff like that?
I don't know how much Ted's broker has.
I think it might be cheaper.
It's a good question. Yeah, maybe I should go over to Ted's brokerage because I can trade. I can use the crypto option from the United States and trade his Canadian brokerage. So maybe I should do that.
Yeah. So someone said like for US people in the US, you can try these 3 brokers.
I tried signing up with the IG, and they said that I don't make enough.
Oh, ouch.
Like they basically told me not to quit my day job. So
wow. Harsh. Reps, either your spreads widen, that's why it's closed you out before you hit your stop loss, or you over leverage and you hit your margin. Reps, do you have other like trades open at the same time? I'm gonna see where GJ might go if it breaks 137. I'm seeing this resist, support, resistance, so somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere to 136,800. Oh, you have an Islamic account, did that affect it? Oh, then I'm not sure, you need to ask them. Didn't come close as in like how close? Because it really depends because spreads widen. And your account might have slightly different spreads as well. So you might need to check. This 30-minute close on GJ is not going to be strong.
I feel like 137 is a key area. 137 even. But if it does close below the range, I'm looking for it to come back down and fill that wick.
Yeah, this area. So that 136,800. Yeah, that's the area that you're talking about also.
The daily wick fill.
Yeah.
I almost filled it.
Yeah.
You see, I was looking at it earlier over here when it was up here. So I was looking at it like this. I was like, all right, the wicks are pretty big. So it's like and the candles are getting smaller each time it's going down, smaller. So I was like, should I take a buy over here? And then you get this one candle going down like this. And then the same thing's happening here now. You're getting, these big rejections over here, and the candles are getting smaller. But it doesn't mean that it can't go down again.
Yeah, that's the thing. So.
He's still talking?
Me? Oh no, as in him?
The guy.
I'm not sure. There's no more red stuff popping out on my screen.
Yeah, so what is this website? Can you put it in the chat?
Yeah.
It's a nice website. It's a nice website.
Yeah, because there has been a lot of like last minute news entries, right? So it does pop up on the site here. So like him, he wasn't even scheduled on Forex Factory. See, nothing. And then whoop, he popped up here. Imagine if we took the longs just now. Damn.
Oh, if you go on Forex Factory, there's actually a link to the live stream.
He's still talking? Oh my god, he's still at it. Future way, I think you should analyze day by day. Unless you're planning to take a swing, then yes, stick to the buyers. But now the market flipped entirely. So how are you gonna take longs? Yeah, don't be like, sometimes if the market flips in the other direction, because if you look at the higher time frame, right, it's already making lower highs right here, so it might indicate that it has changed this direction. This is
Chiche, what are you doing?
yeah, because this is the 4 hour, man. Yeah, and there's no confirmations for buys, so don't just enter just because 1 30-minute candle.
No, I'm not entering, but
No,
still.
I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to someone else on the
Oh,
YouTube
okay.
channel. Yeah, because he has buy since Monday, but yeah.
Well, what's his entry though?
No, he hasn't entered. It's just his bias is since Monday, but
his bias.
yeah, but the market is not giving him that bias now, so he needs to. I'm just saying you might want to be adaptable. I'm not saying
that 4-hour zone is.
Yeah, I'm not saying it's impossible. It's just less probable, so don't force it. Yeah, just just to be safe, don't force it. Yeah, this area is nasty, man. It's gonna get you. Yeah, so if we see so many candles going down, and then the higher time frame also going down, 1 hour, 4 hour, all red, right? You buy on a tiny 30-minute candles, you're dead. Higher chance, more likely than not, you will flip and hit your stop. So don't have to force it. You can save your ammo for tomorrow. Yeah. So if it goes, then so be it, right?
Yeah, but you see that even 30, it did close above the previous 30 minutes, so.
Yep. So it closed above this baby, almost negligible wick. If you want to try and trade it to here, by all means, it is an option since there were rejections to the bottom zone. But just know it's risky. But if you want to take it all the way here, then I would say don't. I would just say don't. Because it has to pass this area first.
So the better trade would be just to wait for resistance, maybe, on that.
Short?
Well, I mean, maybe that 137.28.
Yeah, maybe.
Level, or if it creates a resistance.
Yeah, if it creates.
Yeah, if it creates a
yeah, because there's even minor support here on the left as well. If you look here.
Okay.
Yeah, so if it breaks above, then you don't want it to break this level, right? Like 28. You don't want it to break here. So this is minor. This is the major one. Yeah, so
it's too big of a stop anyway. It's like a 30 pip stop.
Yeah.
to that bottom wick.
This is not worth the trade, man. Honestly. Yeah.
Was it 25 pips?
Yeah.
Still,
thank you.
It's too big.
Yeah. Even if you tried to finesse your stop and squeeze it to be below this like support here, ooh, tough. You're gonna be sweating as you enter this trade.
Might get wicked.
You might get wicked out.
Yeah.
Wicked out.
Yeah.
And you gotta keep in mind, you still have what is it? This wick over here that we still don't like. It might come back down to clear this wick over here.
Yeah.
And then go up. So even if you do have your stop loss below here, potentially price can come back down to this 4 hour and like exceed it a little bit even.
Yeah.
To grab more money and then come back up.
Yeah, so seeing that like the bearish momentum is strong, right? If it forms resistance here, then yeah, maybe we can take it down. Because the bearish momentum is strong. But at the same time, we are at the end of, we are like, I wouldn't call a bottom, but we are off like almost like 5 hours, 6 hours of downward movement. So yeah, and this wick is not giving me confidence in the short. If I were to take it in the middle of nowhere, you know what I mean? Because this wick could also be a rejection on the 4 hour. Then yeah. You can always, it's only Tuesday.
Yeah, there is imbalance. There's imbalance right here. So price needs to come over here to trade in this area. For those that trade imbalances. Honestly, this could be that retest.
Hmm.
Continue going down.
Yeah, but would you dare to take it? That's the thing. If you want, I mean, sure, you could say like, I can halve my risk and then trade this range down, but I'm pretty sure it's not really gonna be a very comfortable ride down. That's all. Yeah, you could, but no. AJ, show the imbalance again.
From here to here. So like price, if you look at price, when it has a strong move down, this area right here wasn't traded fairly. So there was only like this price point, like what is it, 137, 280 to this area. There was only sells happening here. So the way smart money or whatever type of trading that you trade, right? They say that price needs to come back up into this area to give it fair value, so that you get some buying coming over here, and then take it back down. So usually they say 50% of the imbalance usually gets filled.
Oh.
So, and then you can see that this right here is a resistance area. So if it does get filled at 50%, it correlates with support and resistance. I just want to close below 700. If it closes below 700, we should be able to take it back down. But it's what I'm seeing right now is just a bunch of rejections.
Yep.
In this area. So if we get just like another bullish close, then it should be good to take it back up to at least 280.
Yeah. Print sideways and make a 20 pip range. Maybe. This area here, this is definitely messy. Boom.
Man, if I was just a government official or something, man, I'd be so rich. Just tweet something real quick, anything, and get in like a buy or sell position depending on what I'm gonna tweet.
Yeah. Maybe Trump's kids are really rich. He's like,
oh, they definitely are.
Kids, I'm gonna tweet. Do you want buys or sells? Okay.
What are you in right now?
Yeah. What are you in right now?
Are you in drawdown?
Let me help.
100 pips, no problem. I'll just extra tweet.
The theory behind imbalances getting filled is basically price always looks for liquidity to fuel its move or trend. Every price in the chart says buy and sell orders. In this case, the sell orders were filled, but there's still buy orders left. Oh, left in the imbalance zone that needs to be somewhat filled to help build momentum. Oh, basically, it's like killing everyone in the way. Oh, we left some stragglers. Let's kill them and come back down. That's what I understand from it.
I mean, I used to only trade imbalances. Like at one point, I only used to look at imbalances and only trade imbalances, and what I found was wrong with it. So like what I used to do was like I found an like this area was an imbalance, right? So I would be like, all right, 50% of the imbalance usually do get filled. So at this point, like I'd do like a fib from here to here, right? And then I'll be all right, this is 50%, and then I'll have a sell limit right here. Right?
Yeah.
So like what I found was wrong with it. Like sometimes it'll work, right? But sometimes what what I noticed was that it'll activate, right, and then keep going up to fill the whole imbalance and then drop. So like the only thing that I didn't like about the imbalances over time was that I'm entering a sell on a bullish candle.
Yeah, correct.
Right? So like that's why I stopped. Like I know the concepts of imbalance and I keep it in the back of my head that this area needs to get filled, right? But now what I do is, all right, so now I know price needs to come up here. So like, all right, cool. This should sell down. So let me wait for confirmation.
Yeah. But how would you know to look at like a 30 or like a 1 hour?
So usually it's the higher time frames. Like higher time frames are better. So
then
let's see.
The 4 hour hasn't formed, right?
Yeah. So like if you look at this, for example, if you look at this area right here, right? So you can say that price from here to here, right? This, if you could delete all this, right? This area right here was imbalance.
That's why this?
Right, so that's why this came to fill it up and then it came back up. Right, but like usually what they say is 50% needs to get filled, right?
Yeah.
So 50% right here is right here, right?
Yeah.
So you did get into profit, right? But then price came right back down and filled it all.
Oh, that's interesting.
Happens a lot.
Salman said, did you know you can use the volume profile fixed range under indicators to see which zone price?
Yeah, I used to use that fixed range. It's an indicator. I used to use it. It gives you the numbers of how many orders are in a candle.
Wow.
Do you have the pro version?
Yes.
Yeah, so just type in fixed range.
Since there's nothing, I'll just look at these kind of things now.
Alright, so if you click on that, right, and then for example, go on like the 30-minute.
Wait, it's not putting it on my chart. Hang on.
It won't put it in your chart. You have to click it and then specify where to put it.
Oh, okay, my bad. So I just click it and then just click
then
anywhere on the chart?
Yeah, so go on like the 30-minute.
So I close this first, right?
Yeah, close that. Go on the 30-minute. And then like do from here to here. Just like do like a drag like that.
Oh, something's popping up on my chart.
Yep, exactly.
Oh, what in the world?
Right, so just let it go. Just double click it. Yep, there you go. So now click on this right here, and then click on settings. Right, and then you want to go to show values. Right, and now you want to zoom in, and then you're gonna see a bunch of numbers. Zoom in, open this up.
Oh,
yep,
whoa.
there you go.
What?
So now you can see, so now you can see how many orders are. So you can see like right here, you see how there was 0 orders of buys that happened right here. So you can potentially say that price is going to come back up here to fill this area and then come back down.
Wow.
Yeah. Some nuggets were dropped.
Yeah. So the first one is buys, the second number is sells.
Yeah, so I mean, I don't know what it is, but like you can obviously tell that, you know, this is going down. So this is a bunch of sells. So like this area, there was no buying. So like if you just put a line right here, then you can say that price is going to come over here and then sell off.
Ooh. I've seen this on people's charts before. I just didn't know what it was. Interesting.
I think another way of like putting that is like that's like a consolidation area, or like a high volume area.
This one?
So like, I think you could I think you could say that about that, because look how many times prices hit that area in the past.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like a key level. And so yeah, I try my best to avoid trading like high volume areas like that. Like just trade clean traffic, and that's really been working for me.
But technically, you wouldn't know that this area is like this. This is the red line, right? You're talking about the red line, correct?
Yeah. So the red line is like the most traffic or the most traded area.
Yeah, but technically, I thought you wouldn't know that this line existed because these candles where I dragged it until it hasn't popped. It hasn't come out yet, right?
No, it hasn't come up yet. So like so if you actually like make this live, so if you drag this out from here to here where the current candle is, you'll see the numbers change.
Yeah. So earlier, like this this candle already popped up. That's why I was able to drag it here. But
so drag it to here to where the current candle is.
Yeah, then the numbers will change.
You'll see numbers. See now the main average is over here.
Yeah.
Right? But then you can see that right here in this area, there was zero buying going on, right? So like if you just like for example, and you can see where it's lining up to what's this, your support and resistance, right? This was previous resistance. So like you can easily adjust to say that price is gonna wick this area and then come back down.
Ah, so if back to Brandon's theory, it's this area's consolidation. Yeah, but the thing is, you won't know this red line is consolidation because these candles would have to form first. And I wouldn't be able to drag this volume thing until after these candles have formed, right?
Yeah, until where current price is.
Yeah, so you wouldn't be able to confirm that this is consolidation. That's what I meant. Was that what you meant, Brandon?
Well, I don't know. I guess I was just saying just don't trade in like the areas where there's lots of rejection and stuff. Just trade in between.
Yeah. If we do.
Hey, Brendan. Brendan, can you hear me?
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, so I was actually like how you said, I came to that conclusion as well. Like when I'm trading, I feel like it's easier for me to trade in clean areas. Like the move happens faster as well. So I've been focusing on that too. I think like I would not try to. I would just not trade the consolidation areas. And if I find like let's say a candle or two, like clean two candles that are like 30 pips or 50 pips, I can get like 10 pips easily rather than in the consolidation area. Is that what you were saying?
Yeah, it's like it's better to trade. Yeah, exactly. Like it's better to trade like when there's clean candles to the left.
Yeah.
Maybe it's
when you find a good like a confirmation that you have, like it usually works more times than in a consolidation because there's going to be other resistance that could push you back or something.
Yeah. Uncle Ted, he talks about it. He used to talk about it a lot in streams.
I've seen that on YouTube. I watched. I've been like I just went to Forex Family. I think that's the YouTube channel. Like, and there's a bunch of YouTube, a bunch of like TED webinars where he's talking to people, and I've seen him like say that like this area, like he said, like okay, look where there's the clean areas. Why did it happen? What happened after and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, yeah, I've noticed that from TED.
Yeah, that's basically like that's literally like all I go by pretty much. I don't focus on anything else.
Okay. So do you put stop orders like on those clean areas? Is that what you do?
Yeah, I just put it right in the middle of the clean area and just let my trade breathe and just do its thing. Like I just set it and I forget about it. And I don't trade it anywhere else, just only in the middle of clean candles. That's it.
And how's your win rate?
My win rate last month was like 52% or 54%, but my average win was like 1.8%, and my average loss was 0.9%. So my average win was like 2 times my average loss.
Okay.
And so it's not going to work all the time. Sometimes it's just going to wick into the clean area.
Yeah.
It's just going to wick into there and then just fake out and then come back.
Mm-hmm.
But like if you have your targets set up so that, you know, you're targeting the next logical consolidation area, the next logical, you know, problem area, and you're maximizing your wins, then, you know, it worked out for me. I made like 11% last month.
Oh, nice.
So yeah.
I'm actually like, for me, my thought process was like, if I can annotate.
Yeah.
So I want to like use that, but like I have to find like a confirmation as well. Like for example, like let's say this area, it created support, right here. There's support was created.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see it? So that when price came back and broke that, I would have been more like, I would have entered it. Like I didn't enter it today because I was like, I fucked up my my plan basically. So I was like, I'm done trading. But usually like this since we have this clearing area to the downside, I would risk, like, even though it's not giving me a good confirmation in its impulse entry, there's a high probability that it can go clean because there's no resistance to block, because price already like shown me that there is a clean area with these two candles. So yeah, so I've been looking at that. I haven't tested it quite well yet, so I don't know my win rate or how it would work. But yeah, so I just recently like thought like finding good confirmations, but in areas like if there's clean areas, I would risk like double than the usual, like more than the usual. So,
yeah, it might work for you. You know,
yeah.
Try it. You know, why not?
Yeah, definitely will test on the stuff.
Yeah, Uncle Ted always talks about it, and Raquel always talks about it on the streams. And he's like, you know, look, see how you've got clean candles over here or whatever. How he always says that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's, you know, it works for them. You know, we're trading the same thing. We're trading price action, same sort of strategy. So might work for us too.
Yeah, I used to focus on like try like first before you, of course, before you like have the knowledge, you're always thinking about trading all the time, like taking trades as many as possible, and that's what my mental was. Now I'm just like, if like it doesn't matter, because I understand now, like as much as I take trades, there's been the higher the probability of me losing goes up. So it's better to just find one trade a day where there's a clean, like what happens in a clean area, and if there isn't a clean area, it's like it's better not to take the risk, because like your probability of losing is higher, and like I'm okay with just getting like 2%, 2.5% in a week, rather than trying to get to 5% by taking too many trades and then going to drawdowns and actually losing.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Quality over quantity.
Yeah.
It works. Like I only took like on average like 4 or 5 trades every single week in September. It worked.
Nice.
Like 1 week I only took like 3 trades all week.
Yeah.
You don't
nice.
Yeah, the less trades you take is the better. Because
you have to focus, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, like when you're taking it just makes sense. It just makes sense.
And I think people gotta get to that mental state of like not worrying about like they have to meet that quota or like that goal they have, or like they think they have to get to that 5% or something in a week. Like even if you don't like trade the whole week, honestly, like this is like right now, like how Raquel says, trade or Ted says, like treat this as a hobby. Like in a hobby, you don't go outside. Like let's say my hobby is soccer, and I'm like I don't go play outside when it's raining, when I'm not feeling like playing, right? So basically, that's how you gotta take trading as well. Like if you're not feeling that trade that's gonna happen, like you think, oh, this does not look clean to me. Or like you don't have to trade the whole week. It's not looking good. That's where I'm at right now. Moments like me talking to myself and like, because it's a lot of process of like getting from that losing mentality to get to that winning mentality.
Yeah, it takes people years to finally accept the fact that, okay, it's better for me to take 1 or 2 trades than to take 5 or 10 trades in 1 week.
Yeah, honestly, it's all about accepting. Like people just take a while to. People got egos and they think the reality can bend their way, but
Yeah, it
like
doesn't work.
yeah, it doesn't work. You gotta bend not the other way.
Man, that shit's futile, man. You can't bend reality.
Yeah.
You know, you can't. It doesn't work like that. Maybe for the short term, but for the long term, hell no, man. That shit's
Yeah,
not
you
gonna
get
work out.
lucky once in a while. It's not. It's not. It's just reality just letting you sometimes, but probably you get lucky sometimes, and then your ego gets bigger, and then the next time you're just setting up yourself for a bigger failure, basically.
Yeah, it's really about how you think. Like, it's
Yeah.
about your mentality. Like a trader who's like better at technical analysis and better at like, okay, this is the key level right here. This is this and that, and this is gonna do this. It's gonna do that. Like that trader, like a trader who has a better mental state than that trader, but isn't as good at technical analysis, is gonna do better because he has a better mental state, even though he's not as good at planning out trades and seeing trade ideas play out the way he wants. Because the other traders, he's going to overtrade, or he's going to let his, because of his mental state. He's going to, his mental state, even though he's good at technical analysis, he's still going to fail and he's still going to lose money, week after week, month after month, just because he needs to change his mental state. And the way to do that, honestly, is watch trading, listen to trading podcasts and read books.
Understand from
And just listen to podcasts. I mean, podcasts can really help get your mental state in order. I mean, that's what I've been doing for like the last 6 months. Just listening to Trading Nut, traders.
Trading Nut is good.
Yeah, I listen to Trading Nut every single day, pretty much. What is the other one? Chat with Traders.
Yeah. Honestly, even on the webinar for us, like we have Uncle Ted, a lot of like Uncle Ted webinars, and like, bro, that guy's you have that guy as your big boss in the group. So like honestly, like if you have the webinars, like even on the YouTube, it's really free. Like you just gotta listen, and he gives it as it is. He doesn't sugarcoat it. He doesn't nothing. He explain it like everything that it is, and you just gotta keep watching it until you understand.
Yeah, you just gotta keep on watching and keep on getting that chart time, and eventually it's gonna make sense. You're gonna understand. Okay, this isn't just a bunch of like candles going on right here. No, like I've actually seen something like this before in the past. It's just a little bit different this time. So this time I'm gonna execute on it. And oh shit, man, it actually worked out. Man, I'm gonna do it again tomorrow.
Yep.
Just takes time. People are super impatient, and then they're impulsive. So they're impulsive. They want to make $1 million by the end of this month. It's just stupid, man. You need to grow wealth slowly.
I think it's dreaming. You do dream when you start something like you don't know nothing about, like you don't have the knowledge, so your brain just automatically runs wild. It just runs wild, and you have these you make these weird expectations out of nowhere because you don't understand anything, and then I think that's just normal for everyone. And I think you just gotta understand these like expectations you have, like by acquiring knowledge, you like your compass of like where you want to go or your goals is gonna shift. The more knowledge you have, the more understanding of what the probability of getting where you want to get is. Like you're gonna fix that. You're like it just takes time, and people just quit early because they don't like their expectation hits reality, or reality hits their expectations, and it shows that it doesn't work, or like it's like, it's delusion, and people can't accept it. So weak-minded people sometimes.
Yeah, people are definitely dreaming.
Yep.
They're dreaming too much and not being practical.
Yeah, I did that honestly. Like at the beginning, I was like, "Yo, I'm about to be a millionaire."
Oh yeah,
I did that at the beginning. Yeah.
Doesn't really work like that though.
Yeah, that's what the goal is. Just it will take time. It will take fucking time, bro. Take long time, and even trading won't make you a millionaire. I don't think. I think his head is a millionaire, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But he's not only trader. He got what is it called too? He has his own broker. Probably do other businesses. He probably have other things because he has that big ass capital. So I don't think he just trades anymore.
All right. So I'm selling this trade right now on GU because I'm letting it breathe until my target, or letting it breathe into my stop loss, wherever it wants to go.
Yeah, he's still speaking. And when GJ is gonna close, so GJ close as a nothing. This is nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nothing. So I will end the stream at the 15-minute close because there's really nothing. I'm not gonna catch an end of a move, and I don't want to trade in this range, so I will come back tomorrow. So if anyone has any last minute questions, throw them in the chat. If not, then I'll end the stream at the 15-minute close.
Well, I decided that I just got to stick to my rules. So it's not at break even anymore. It's back at where it was originally, which is what my rules say to do.
Okay.
But my entry is at 880, so it's right at break even right now on GU.
Okay.
Yeah. So I've been up like 28 pips, but my target was 37 pips, and I'm not closing. I'm not micromanaging my trade at all. So my stop loss is up there at 130.80. So just following my rules. It's painful. It's hard, but I have to do it.
Yeah. Rules are what protects your account anyway. It's just that I was looking at like GU retesting this area that I have. So ideally you want the next half an hour candle to close bearish, respecting this zone. Then your short should be good to come down to 29.5. Yeah, but if it flips, you might get your stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might. Oh yeah. Good. Yeah. Yeah, I'm giving it 1 more hour until like London close or whatever.
Yeah.
So, and if it doesn't, wherever it is at that point, I'm just gonna close it.
What if he speaks till like London close? What if Bailey speaks till London close? Oh damn.
So it's good that the 30-minute closed bearish.
Yeah, yeah.
But I don't know, we might see some London close buys right now. So I don't know, whatever happens, I don't really care. I already secured profits.
Do you think the markets have less volume after COVID and less price action than before? Honestly, A-Rod, I never noticed. I take my trades day by day. 1 hour closing doji, there are chances GJ might give that upside pullback. Maybe.
There's chances for everything.
Yeah, yeah. I was gonna say there's chances for everything. There's also a chance GJ might go to 307. 138.
There's also a chance there could be a flash crash right now and all our accounts are blowed.
Yeah, and our brokers closed down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
If you go by chances, then you're not going to be able to execute on your trades.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not going to be able to, because there's always a chance you could lose. If you're a perfectionist, you're not going to do well as a trader.
Which way, I don't think GU is strong bullish. This is not strong. If it's strong bullish, it would break the next zone and go and eat this whole candle. Or almost the whole candle. This is not strong.
Okay, I'm going to head off over here.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
See
really
you.
enjoyed hopping on here and having people to talk to.
Yeah, see you. Take care.
All right.
One 136. What's 136, Tony? Shots? Yeah. I don't see anything. And 136 is like, where is it? It's here at the end of the move.
Yep, looks like a no trade day.
Yep.
Gold kept dropping to 1890.
$18.90. Oh, it bounced. It didn't want to touch my zone.
I noticed the GJ moves a lot like gold sometimes.
Yeah, just less range.
Yeah.
Goes like way faster. Let's see. I'm curious. Hmm? No. No, this is not the same.
I mean, gold has been going up since May.
Yeah. Is that 300 pips on gold? Yes. From here
I sure was.
all the way down. Oh, now it's 400. If you just take this latest candle, whee, 400.
Daily candle.
Yeah. Let's just take our stream, like Raja's stream. How much? This was his time, right? Boom. 350. We have ripped so many accounts apart, man. Imagine if you went long. Bye-bye account. You took an impulse entry here. This candle closed bullish. Impulse entry, boom. Immediately your account blows up. Andreas, no, I don't think what they see as imbalance is the same as you going counter trend. Because imbalance is trading with the trend. Because he was looking for an area where price would test to go in the trend. You're going counter trend, so it's totally off. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. You're trying to go in trend. You're just trying to get more confluence at this area. That's all.
Yeah. It's not going. I'm not trying to go against trend.
Yeah. Yeah. He's not. Yes, Andreas, don't get it wrong.
Yeah, because I think this drop was due to like a daily resistance. We were at a really strong daily resistance. This level here, this whole area was an area of resistance for the daily.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we're getting this drop. But even though we're still bullish, like overall, we're still bullish. So this could be like a small pullback to keep going up.
Yeah.
And if you see, like, just the second we pass this area, oh my god.
Oh my god. Yeah. 139.5. Yeah.
Yeah, if you zoom out, we're still bullish, man. We're still bullish.
Yeah.
Like zoom out like all the way out. Yep. So like if you look like just on the daily, right? So up, resistance came down, made support, went up,
Yep.
down. This low didn't break this low, right? And then it went up, made a high.
Yep.
Now we're down. This low
Didn't
not
break.
break this low, and now
Yeah.
we're going up. So now we should honestly keep, like overall time frame should be up here.
Yeah.
The next push up should come up here.
Yep. This previous high on the left.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah,
right
this
there.
one. Yep.
So like I won't be bearish on GJ until we break this low. Once if we break this low on the daily, then we broke trend.
Yeah. How much is that? Wow, to break that's a lot.
That's a lot.
Let's go for today.
Yeah. Man, I've seen GJ do some funky stuff, so you just never know.
Yeah.
But like we've been bullish since when? Since like May or March even. Right, and the only reason why this drop happened, the drop from 130, 144, was because of Corona. So like, we should be correcting this move all the way back up. And the daily just so much easier to trade, but it just takes too long.
Yeah. I think you set the daily, you need to set it on a separate account that you don't ever look at. Just
right.
Put it on another laptop and throw it in a room. Just don't look at it. Come back to like deep profits. Andreas, I think if you're trying to get more pips, right, I would rather, if you're trying to trade more pairs, I would rather you trade more pairs in trend, not counter trend. Why make things harder for yourself? So yeah. Since you're already looking at other pairs, you might as well trade in trend.
Man, I should have seen the daily, man. I should have looked at the daily before today. Because, like, if you look at the daily, like, this yesterday's candle right here, this one, this just showed me that, like, we don't have it. There's just, like, momentum stop. And then this happened.
Why? Because of this?
Yeah, exactly. Because I'm looking at it like this. This area right here is an order block. Right, so this is the last up movement before a big down move. So what people would say is that the banks are in drawdown in this position, and anywhere in this area or anywhere in this bullish candle, they're in drawdown. So like they brought price back up, they got out of their positions, and now they got out of their buy positions and entered another sell to continue going down.
Oh, this is interesting when you put it that way. Plus this... Okay, wait, let me look at the smaller time frames. I think it did 2 tests. Yeah, so this was the highs that it got to yesterday, right? After news. Tried to push, next candle rejected. On the hour. And it rejected lower than the previous highs. Maybe. I think I have a zone. Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah, so I use everything that I know I try to use, but like sometimes I miss.
Yeah.
I forget to look at stuff because of the stuff that I know. So like the daily this was so the daily this is definitely like an order block on the daily. So like so the banks at one point they tried to so pretty much what it means on this candle here, what they tried to do was they tried to trick people into thinking that it's going to buy. So what the banks did, in order to move the market 1 pip, right, it needs $1 billion to move the market 1 pip, right? So people probably thought that this was, you know, a rejection area, or because, like, you know, we had a huge wick down and we rejected up. So like, in order for them to move price up, they had, the banks themselves, or the market makers, or whoever you want to call them, the big institutions, they had to enter buys, right? But while they were entering buys all the way up here, they entered sells like times 10 all the way up here, and then they had this big drop down, but their buy positions are left open, right? Just because, I don't know why, but their buy positions are left open, right? So what they're going to do is they're going to bring price back up to that same area and then close out their trades.
There probably, if that's the case, then there probably would be some kind of order block here as well, right?
Where?
On the left. If we look left, some kind of order block.
There is, right here, right there. And if you look at it.
So it's tapping.
Yep.
Boom. Oopsie.
Yep, tapped right to it.
Yep. So they're just waiting.
But yeah. But like, the banks have enough capital to hold, draw down all this. Right?
If you buy Raja's course, do you just get the videos? You get the videos, the Slack access. He has no one-to-ones. Slack access and Zoom access. He has no one-to-ones.
Anything is for a price. I'm sure if you give him some money, he'll definitely, he won't say no.
Everyone.
Well, you got to keep in mind, like, how much is he making a day?
Yep.
So, yeah. If you're willing to pay a couple thousands for a session, yeah, go ahead.
So then, if this is the case, this looks, would this be an order block? Like, I'm just curious, like this? Hang on, let me draw it. This one? No. It's not big enough a move. Maybe this one. Sorry, it's confusing.
So there's, okay, so like, this you can say that this is an OB, right? Because you have this big push up, right?
Yeah.
But then this candle here broke it, right?
Yeah.
So now this, if you put your box, right? This becomes, instead of becoming an order block, it becomes a breaker.
Oh.
Right. So now this candle broke, right? This one candle broke it. So price is gonna come back to retest it. To come back down. Which goes in confluence with our imbalance and our supply and demand, and our support and resistance and our breaker. So you have multiple confirmations that price should come up here to sell back down.
Yeah. So then you would be short buyers tomorrow.
Probably. I wouldn't be surprised if this comes up during Asian session, and then during London we get this big push tomorrow. Cause there's only half an hour left for London, so like, I'll probably see a bunch of this during Asian.
Yeah. You can watch it.
They already had a big move.
Yeah. It's very obvious he lost gas. The candles just became, because the candles became so small. My God, he's still talking.
But I just want to break above that daily resistance, and man, we're gonna go all the way up.
Yeah, but that's like 137,800. So far.
Yeah, it's 100 pips.
Let's see. Is there news tomorrow? Bye Dawn, bye Lennis. Bye. Oh, I think Alexi's gone. let's see.
Tomorrow, got this
Yes,
person.
clean.
I don't know who that is speaking. MPC member.
Let's see. Hang on. Yeah, there's no red on this website. Finally. So annoying. Every time there's red stuff, we can't trade. Yeah, tomorrow looks fairly clean unless some last minute shit pops up. It looks good so far. Asia looks uneventful.
Yeah, the one day that I'm actually busy,
Oh
which
man.
is tomorrow.
Are you on
I'm gonna.
shift?
No, I just have a bunch of sessions that I have to do tomorrow.
What is Tokyo box strategy?
No idea. Oh, yeah. Oh no, I know it. So pretty much what it is that they box in Asian session,
Mm-hmm.
and then they wait for a breakout above or below.
Isn't that just trading the Asian range?
Pretty much.
Oh, I used to trade that.
But there's a strategy called the 0-0.
Yeah.
And it works on gold and it works on US 30. So what it is like if you look at gold, for example, and then you put your time frame here on UTC only. So the top, very top, and then you look for the time, the hour candle at 0-0.
Wait, do I need to refresh? No, I don't think so. 0-0 for today?
On the hourly,
Oh,
on the hourly candle, look for the 0-0 candle. The double O.
Yeah.
Right? Perfect. So this double O, so you put like that you box in the high and the low of that candle. Right? And then you just wait for a breakout either above or below. So you have like a buy stop here, and then you have a sell stop here.
Wow.
And then
you just wait.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. So apparently it works. I don't know. I don't use it, but apparently it works. I used it actually for US 30 a while back, like I would say like 6 months ago. I used to use it, and that would be like the only thing that I used. But then I realized that it was just like a stupid strategy. Just like no confirmation, you're just like getting lucky.
Yeah. Asian session. Yeah, I used to trade the Asian session breakout trades with stupid MAs. I entered so late because I needed the MAs to confirm my entries. Fail.
I mean, I like what it's doing now. Cause like right now we can easily say that we created resistance at 137 even, right? And then we also created support. We created support, and then we created resistance at what is it, 137 100. So it's like a 10 pip consolidation area that we're at right now on the 30-minute. So if we get a close below any of that or above, below or above this area, we should continue going up or continue going down.
Yeah.
$30 minutes gonna close in 2 minutes.
We have a spammer. Let's see how many times he spams. Buy gold. Well,
buy gold.
He literally just said that box thing works well on gold. So if you were listening, you would have heard it. We're not gonna repeat it. Find that out yourself. Because everyone heard it. I literally drew up the box as well. Oh my god. Yeah, spam get banned. Seriously.
I'm not even looking at the YouTube chat, so I can't see what they're asking.
No, you literally finished explaining it, and we drew it up, and then he's like, "What's the best strategy for gold?" I'm like, "Dude, we just said it." Like, it works.
I mean, it's not even the best strategy, just a strategy.
Yeah, correct. There's no best. A meal. Hammer time. And Proti just went buy gold. Death to the account, buy gold. No, maybe we should tell him
buy
to chase
GJ
it.
too.
Yeah.
Buy GJ.
Why? Tokyo session. Wait, if you put a box around the Tokyo session, that's like what, 9 to... Wait, what time is that? 9 to 4:30 to 5 my time.
Okay, so let me ask you something. I don't know. I'm looking at the price right now, right?
Yeah.
So if you look at that 30-minute, right? 30-minute on 1 hour, right? So I have resistance, support, right? So right now this candle's closing in 30 seconds below support, right? So I'm thinking if it does close below, stop loss up here to potentially fill this wick, and this would be a 1-to-1.
If it breaks the wick.
Right? Yeah, if
Right?
it closes, I'm just saying if it closes below this area, right? So this one candle was able to close
Yeah.
below anything. This could be 12 pips for with the current 30-minute candle. This is 10 pips to potentially continue going.
Yeah. Because this is a nothing candle, right? Because the doji doesn't mean anything. And then the next one made a lower high, so it might still continue down. I think it's just filling this last bit before it just chills at the bottom.
Actually, no, it's not even worth it. It's not even worth it.
Yeah. We're ending. And he's still speaking, my god. All he needs to say is something bullish and then your shots are gone. Just one tiny statement. We will make the pound strong again. Booms! Yeah, Kevin, I keep AJ on. He's free labor.
Wait, who said that?
Kevin Thomas. This guy knows his stuff. Thanks for sharing. Yeah, I learn a lot from him too. I hope I teach him patience.
Yeah, that's literally the only thing I need to know.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I've been getting better with
Yes.
patience.
Yes, you have. Last week was like, suddenly you went silent and then you came back. I was like, oh no.
Man.
Let's see if my idea makes inroads. Let's see. Sell with momentum. Not sell with confirmations, Tony. I would sell it when it forms resistance at, I don't know, your blue zone. I'm not gonna don't sell it in the middle of nowhere. You're just catching a falling knife. Might slice your hand. And Bailey is speaking, yeah, in case you didn't know. Blue zone. Where's the blue zone? Let's see. Yeah, so this area here, right? Why not just wait for some kind of resistance to test and then come down? $37.2. Oh, he came back. The spammer came back.
What's his name? Tony?
No. Emil's like, eyes on you. Yeah, no need to spam. The chat doesn't fly like Raja's chat. We see everything. Don't need to spam. Yeah, and if you were listening, AJ literally explained everything. I drew up the box, so it's really quite simple.
Oh, so they want to know what the 0-0 thing is? The 0-0 strategy?
Yeah. So just now we drew it up, right? So basically, step 1, even I can repeat it. Step 1, put your charts to UTC. Step 2, go to 0-0. Step 3,
Look for the
box
1 hour.
that candle on the 1 hour. Finish, you're done. Yeah. So
Literally backtest it. Like if you want to backtest it.
yeah.
See how many times. See like just this week if it worked. How many times?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Because I used to only trade that. Like, and it made me some decent money. But like overall, like I wanted to develop my trading. After a while, I just wanted to develop it. I didn't want to just be like, all right, just buy stop here, sell stop here, and have no
that's
reason.
boring, right?
Yeah, right. With no reason why. Like I want to like my main thing when it comes to trading, I want to know why price goes to where it's gonna go.
Yeah.
Like not just like, oh, I got lucky.
Yeah.
That's gambling.
Yeah. Tony, yes, I know it's not retracing, but it doesn't mean that like, okay, if you want to, if you, so this on the 15, right? Because your chart was the 15 or 30, sorry. If you're trading the 30 even, the candles are they're just not forming. If you wanted to take the short, you should have taken it here. When this one put back, yeah, when it tested this area here, like my view, when it tested this area, boop, test, and then you just short it here. That would have been the safest for you to go down. Yeah, but
what I said.
Yeah, or when it breaks
or wait for this. What I wanted to do, I wanted to enter a sell right here with stop loss right here.
Yeah.
No, I wanted to enter a sell right here. As soon as this candle closed bearish below all these wicks, like below all this, like below this, I wanted to enter a sell right here to potentially fill this wick. Yeah. And then this would have been a 1-to-1. Yeah,
but you gotta wait for the close at least.
No, I just waited for the 30-minute close, right? This was a 30-minute close.
Yeah.
Right here. And entry would have been right here, and then stop loss here with targets right here.
Yeah.
And then you'll be in profit right now. I don't know how many pips.
Yeah.
I decided not to take the trade only because for me it was a valid trade, but I decided not to take it because of, volume is going to die out in like 20 minutes. And the guy's still talking.
Yeah. Ooh, what's this?
Yeah, look at it. It's going to take profit.
36,725. Oh yeah, you're trading below the red zone. Yeah.
How many pips is this? How many pips?
12. It was 12 from your entry.
Yeah, it'd be like 7 pips up in profit right now. It's all good. I'd rather not make money than lose money.
Yeah. I think if you can spot the entry, you can spot it anytime. You can just take it at a better time when it's set up again.
So I guess Tony took it.
Yeah. He was in from earlier, I think.
Good job. Congrats whoever took it. Just keep in mind that I will never let a winning trade go negative.
Yeah.
Just keep that in, just like make that as a rule, like no matter what.
Yeah.
Never let a positive trade go into drawdown.
How fast do you push your stop loss to break even?
After 10 pips.
Oh, okay.
But like I will look at the trade, like I'll be like on there. Like if it just comes close to my entry, I'll close it out.
Yeah.
I'm not letting it go into drawdown.
Because if you're just grabbing 10, you just want that quick grab and go, right?
Yeah. So like right now price is retracing. So like I'll be on my button to close it right now.
Yeah. Would you close half or just wait until you can close it all?
No, I'll just close it all.
Yeah.
I'm
Last time I
not
used
gonna.
to. Yes. Last time I used to like piece out of it, and then I realized when I looked at my P&L, oh, that's so dumb. I'm just taking little bits off just to
Yeah.
make myself feel better when I could have just closed
No,
off
I
the
just
entire
close it
thing.
all.
Yeah.
Like if you entered where I was said that we would have entered, you would have been at least 8 pips or 9 pips in profit, right? It was close to 10, so.
Yeah.
Oh, I just turned on the YouTube. There's a huge lag.
Really?
Yeah.
I adjusted it already though.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I have like this.
There's like 30 seconds or something like that.
Yeah. Once I like do up my CPU, then I'll change the stream latency to like ultra low. And we'll give that a try.
Yeah, it's weird listening to yourself. I'm on mute. I'm on mute the YouTube.
So AJ, I'm gonna ask you a medical question. Because there's nothing now.
Okay.
Is that fine?
Yeah, sure.
So
you gotta keep in mind I'm a physical therapist. I'm not like a.
Yeah, it's related.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna ask you like, what if I have a lump in my throat? No.
I don't know. Yeah, for real.
I know. So I have like this popping in my shoulder, right? It feels like it's loose. So it just keeps popping. What can I do to solve it?
Your shoulder keeps popping, like you've gotten dislocated before?
No, I've never. That's the thing.
Are you sure?
Yes, I've never. Trust me. I only tumbled on the road because of my accident, but I didn't dislocate it. I didn't break anything. I think it might have been like volleyball.
But there was an
young.
injury before, though, right? It was injured before.
No, my shoulders didn't get injured though. Could it be like overuse because of sports?
Do you play any sports?
Last time, yeah, like 20 years ago.
20 years ago?
Yeah, so like volleyball plus swimming, just messes with your shoulders, I think.
What's it called? So usually when it comes to shoulders, right, when the shoulders coming dislocated, that means that the ligaments around your shoulders are lax, or they're stretchy in layman's terms.
Okay.
So they're lax. So what you need to do is you need to do a bunch of shoulder strengthening exercises to strengthen that shoulder, so the muscles around your shoulder joint become strong enough to not pop out when you do certain things. So definitely try to strengthen your shoulder so it doesn't pop out anymore.
Okay. So what should I? The next question is, what kind of exercises do I do? Let's see.
I'll send you a message on on Discord later with exercises on it.
Yeah, because I did. Okay, so I saw this guy's thing, right? It's like, do this if your shoulders pop. I'm like, okay. Let me find it. Sounds like ligamentous instability. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's ligament instability. Exactly. That's literally what it is. So it's like lax ligaments. So your ligaments are lax.
Can I also have a consultation? I open a can of worms. Shit, what's it? Yeah, let me see. Because I've been...
So GJ gave us 10 pips, so whoever took the trade, you're 10 pips in profit.
Yeah.
So... Oh yeah, this guy's good, I know.
Oh, he's good? Okay, thank God.
Yeah, he's good.
I've been doing what he does.
I know, he's good.
Yeah. He showed something on this, I think. Hang on, let me find it.
No, he's good.
Okay. At least I'm not following some weird person.
No, he's good.
Yeah. So when I do overhead tricep extensions, right? My shoulder literally goes in and out, and then there's a pop when I extend it.
Oh, yeah, definitely you need to do shoulder exercises.
All right. So does the does this condition affect your, what's this muscle called? The traps? Because I'm always like, I feel like I'm always tight there. I think it could be, right?
Your traps?
The traps are these muscles here, right? On the neck?
Yeah, your trapezius, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. I mean, your trapezius attaches to your shoulder.
Yeah.
But it's not one of the main muscles that you need to focus on. It's like your rotator cuffs, your biceps.
Oh.
I'll send you a bunch of exercises.
Yeah. I just saw that video, and then he said, do your shoulders pop? Now, and yes, and I just followed every single exercise on it. There's one where you stand against the wall and then you just go up, down, up, down.
Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, that's for that's for range of motion, right? To increase range.
Oh.
But that's not for strengthening.
Ah, got it.
So usually we use those for people that have like stiffness in their shoulder joint, where like, for example, they can't, fully extend or fully flex their shoulder joint.
Oh man.
Like they can't lift their head up, or they can't put their hand behind their back, type of thing. Those type of exercises we'll use to increase range of motion.
I can, just not that much.
Yeah. I'll give you a nice massage. Yeah.
No thanks.
Brazil tree.
Jeff Cavalier. Yeah, I like his workouts. And he explains like why.
Yeah, no, he's good. I've seen him before.
Yeah. I think he's a physiotherapist. No, he's not. He's a, what's that called?
Personal trainer.
Yeah, and something else.
Strength coach or something like that.
Physical therapist.
I don't think he's
physical therapist.
Is he?
Yeah.
Go to the beginning.
Yeah.
He does have a degree as a physical therapist.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so GJ gave us that wick fill, guys. So whoever got into the trade when I said to get in it, definitely like move stop losses, close partials, whatever it is that you want.
I think Tony's at break even already.
I just didn't. I didn't think that it was gonna reach there because of volume, but it did.
The last 15 minutes has volume.
Yeah.
Oh, he finally stopped. No wonder. There you go.
That's why it's gonna move now, the way that I want it to move. Assholes. This was
I think if you're in this trade right now, like, get out, please. Like.
Yeah, it was a good trade.
Close.
It was a good trade. Yeah, definitely.
If you want to leave a runner, just leave like 1%, 2%, like just to see if it will go further. But look at how much it's too strong for it.
Yeah, just see you got a bunch of this. You got this one over here. You got this.
Volume.
Yeah, Fabian, I saw that too. Like, I saw that he trained the Mets.
Yeah, he's a good trainer. He's like, he's not trying to sell you products. I mean, he does have products to sell, but he has information. At least he's focused on the information.
Yeah.
He gives you a lot of. Who was? Wait, do you look at his videos?
Me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Sometimes I use his videos to just give my clients exercises.
But
search him and look at this video and do that.
Okay.
Oh, are you
it
a
makes it
personal
easier
trainer?
for me. No, I'm a PT. I'm a physical therapist.
Oh, cool. Cool. Yeah. Do they pay you good?
Decent.
Decent.
I mean, so I'm one of the few people in Saudi Arabia that actually has a doctorate from the U.S. So yeah.
Is that your page?
No, this is not me.
Oh, I thought I was showing it.
No, this is not him.
I don't do no social media stuff. I don't do any of that.
Why not?
Our culture is different.
or the social media?
No, I mean, our just like our culture is a little different when it comes to, advertising, that kind of stuff. Like they don't accept it, type of thing. So like
Is it haram in
no,
the
it's not
culture?
haram. No, it's not haram. It's just like it's like your norms, right? So like
Yeah.
it's not haram, but like you just don't do it, type of thing, right?
Okay.
You know,
Yeah, I would not
publicize, I
understand
guess.
it. I would not understand it. I'm not even gonna try to understand it because I don't have the culture background.
Retest to.
Yeah, in America, you just gotta advertise as much as possible.
Oh, that's a really big retest.
Yeah, I hope everyone got out because it just came back.
Did it?
I mean, it's,
No,
yeah, it's coming back.
it was a good trade. It was a good trade. It was like
Yeah, I saw it too, but I was
13 pips. It was a 13 pip trade. It was really good.
Yes.
Like no drawdown. Like it was perfect.
Yeah, I had no plan to enter today. I'm just here to entertain myself.
Yeah,
Just
same
chill.
here. I mean, I saw the trade. I called it out. I said it might be good, but I didn't. I personally didn't take it.
You have to take the trade you call out. Number one rule.
Daniel, are you taking this trade on the 4-hour?
No, I'm just like charting here. I'm trying to find out like next moves on GJ because I don't see anything clear on 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Yeah.
I mean, actually, I wanted to take the last breakout on 30 minutes. But I don't know. I wasn't really convinced as you see the previous week that came down and it was about to fill the week. Yeah, it was about to fill the daily. So I wasn't sure if it will like go and retest. So I don't know. I was doubting on it. So right now I'm trying to find
I
out.
was the same thing, right? I was pretty much like the same way. So, but my only thing was that we made support here, and then this 130-minute candle closed below, so stop loss here, entry literally right when this candle closed, and then your ultimate take profit would be here, and we got it.
Yeah, the thing is that I'm right now trying to stick to my plan, and without a retest on the breakout, it's I don't know, and I'm yeah, it's hard, and right now I'm seeing that GJ on these hours, it's really hard to find a retest. So that's why I'm trying to figure it out about next moves on GJ.
Honestly, at this point, if I'm looking at it too. So like I'm looking at GJ, like if it breaks below 136,700, it should come down because we do have clean traffic all the way down to 136 this whole wick, right? But like, and if it does, foreign time set some type of resistance in Asian session, it does have clean candles all the way up as well to go fix to correct that move. So I'll be waiting for that.
Yeah, actually, that retest will be totally a correction of the bearish move.
Of the whole move.
So, yeah. So that's why I'm trying to find out.
The whole drop down was news induced, right, Eleanor?
Yes.
Yeah. So like, yeah, you probably most likely will get a correction.
You mean this whole drop, is it? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so earlier it was like
it was news induced, right?
Yeah, all this.
Yeah, so
this was barely before that. It was like, look at all this.
But was there anything? Was there anything like set in stone, concrete?
No. Just
so there wasn't. They're just like speculations, right?
Yeah, it was all speculation. So that's why I'm waiting for the correction over there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Let's see what happens. Thank you, guys.
Of course.
Yeah.
Just trying to learn some here.
Yeah, people are talking about, do you smoke weed in Saudi? Is there alcohol? There's everything. If you want it, you can find it.
Yeah.
Right, but everything is like triple the price. Like like those airplane or hotel bottles, like the small little baby ones. They go for around like 2,000 reals, which is around. Let me check. Yeah, around like $600 for those small little bottle ones, like the hotel ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, true Muslims don't smoke weed.
600 US dollars.
600 US dollars. Yeah, for the small little baby ones.
The aeroplane size bottles.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah, so you got to be like loaded to drink over here. But we have hash. We have hash. We don't have weed. It's the substitute. I don't know if anybody knows what hash is, but we have hash. Mushrooms? I probably. We have
like
everything. Like we have everything, right? But like you just have to know the right people.
Hash.
You just have to know the right people.
I know hash browns. I had to insert myself into the combo.
Hash browns is nice.
Hash browns is legal.
Yes, definitely legal.
Yeah, Hossein, doesn't matter. Like everyone in my chat, a lot of them trade different stuff. So like A-Rod trades his MAs and price action, and Marina also trades pivot points. So yeah, the only thing is everyone's just respectful of each other's analysis and strategies, and we just share it with each other. That's all. It's just that I've seen like so many. So sometimes if like the newer traders just started trading, then I'll just tell them like maybe you want to watch out for this, and then in case they hit into a wall, you know.
We talk. If anybody wants to talk about Saudi, just watch Friday's stream.
after the end of the London close.
Literally, I talked about Saudi in like great detail.
Yeah.
We had a good conversation. Yeah. How long did you guys stay after? I actually had to leave.
I don't even know. We stayed for a while.
1.5 hours.
Yeah.
After me?
Yes.
I think so.
Wow.
No, you guys went on for 1.5 hours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But then I left, and then I was like, how long did you guys stay?
But it was me and Eleanor, just me and her for a while.
Yeah. And then AJ had to take a deuce.
Yeah, I said I gotta take a deuce.
We found the elephant. The elephant. What is it? The elephant rock.
The elephant rock.
Oh yeah, we found the elephant rock. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a shame because some people are very poor in Saudi. That is very true. There's a lot of poor people here.
Yeah, man, it's in every world, everywhere.
Yeah, but it's like
America,
like they said, propaganda only shows us like we're wearing the white dress or whatever with the thing, and then with like gold and oil.
Well, let me tell you this. They think they were rich. Well, not because I told you I'm from Eritrea. And from there, people think America is like you can like basically money is like you pull it from a tree. That's what they think. Like they think it's heaven basically. So it's like everyone has like, especially like countries like every big country, they try to present themselves as this powerful, rich, pristine, everything. They're just giving that superficial face out front for the people outside that can't see everything from the inside. So when they, it's just upfront face, and everyone does it. It's not just one person. Everyone does it. Even individual people do it in Instagram. So it's just a superficial thing. But like I don't believe that like the country is supposedly the richest country, and then there should not be a poor person. If you call yourself a rich country, there should not be a poor person in your country.
Literally, for real.
Wait, so okay, does the color of the shirts like make a difference? Like you were saying, the white tops and the red thing, right?
Yeah.
Does it make a difference? So if your ridge is white?
No. It's always white.
Oh.
So we wear white during the summertime because white repels heat.
Oh.
And then we wear darker colors in the winter time because it keeps the heat in.
Oh, okay. Got it.
But like you guys, everybody thinks that Saudi's like this big, everybody's rich here. Like we're a third world country still. So like if we were really that rich, we wouldn't be a third world country still.
It's imbalance.
Yeah.
I think if I'm just trying to find levels if GJ breaks.
I'll probably see right here, this area right here.
Yeah.
That's an order block.
Yeah. Then it will come down to here.
Yeah, so that's literally what I was saying. If it goes below 136,700, 700. If you look at like the 1 hour, yeah, if it breaks below here, below there, we should come down to here, and then if we break that, we should fill this wick over here.
Yeah, I see. That's 136 flat, which is the end of the daily support. Daily support, sorry. Damn. GG did.
See, I'm gonna definitely be looking at the close of the daily, how it closes. If it closes with no bottom wick on the daily, I'll probably, look for it to continue going up. But I honestly don't think that we're gonna have like another day like this tomorrow, right? Going down. We'll probably have like something like this, right? Bullish, and then the next day go down maybe. But we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to wake up for London. I'm gonna try to get out of work early.
What time's your last session?
I wake up before London, like pre-London.
But you have sessions, right?
Yeah, so like I have work in the morning at the hospital, right? So I'll probably leave in an hour. I'll go in for an hour and leave. Yeah, that should be good. I'll come back for London.
Yeah, like what you said. I think so. Earlier, if it didn't break 137, then it would test this area to come down, right? So now that it broke, it's gonna test this area to come down. Yeah, but Asia has no news, so it might just break through during Asia. So it might continue down and then come back and test this next 4 hours on at 136.8 and then come down. Yeah. I'm gonna
wait till tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't see Asia correcting the move, but I see London correcting the move if it wants London to correct. No.
Yeah, London. But like the thing is, we're going under so many levels that it's gonna be hard to go up.
Yeah. Yeah, correct. I think I'm probably gonna do fresh analysis tomorrow.
Yeah, because we broke under this level, right? We're kind of breaking under this level now.
Yeah.
We made resistance here, small resistance. But like, it's gonna be harder for it to go up.
Yeah, because he has to break back above 137 as well.
Break back above. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
If anything, it's gonna come back up to here, to retest here to continue going up. Because we still until now we still haven't found support. Until now, right? A solid support we still haven't found. So once we find support, just wait for resistance. No matter, it could be here, it could be here, it could be here. Wherever we find resistance, and then take it back down to the low.
Yeah, bearing in mind that the daily overall is still bullish, right? So far, this is just one upward move.
Yeah, so this could be just a pullback.
Yeah.
But if we get a break below here,
bye bye. Yeah. All right. Okay. I think that's it for today. Nice. discipline on this. You said you would be more disciplined this week, and you really were.
Yeah, I didn't take the trade.
You last week you might have taken it.
I might have what? Last week?
Yeah, if you were the person you were last week, you might have taken the shots.
Yeah, I mean it worked out, and I'm okay with that.
Yeah, because I think you saw the news and blah blah blah.
Yeah, I didn't want to take it.
Yeah.
But congrats to whoever took it though.
Yeah. It's okay. This area is just messy. I don't like it. Like sometimes I see wicks and I know that they will be filled, but I just don't feel like it's worth the money. Because it might bounce as well. Because the wicks are rejections, right? Because it's clearly trying to reject this bottom zone.
Yeah. I mean, all I was looking at was to get that wick fill.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
That was it.
So
that was all I wanted.
Yeah. So the risk is also it doesn't fill all the way.
Then yeah, I mean, but it still got 10 pips, right? It gave you 10 pips, and your stop loss was less than 10 pips.
Yeah.
Like it was a 1-to-1 for sure.
Yeah. What if the wick was like less than 10? Then you wouldn't have taken the trade.
I wouldn't have even looked at it.
Okay. Yeah, that's fair. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go off. I will see you tomorrow.
Alrighty.
Right. Right. See you all, everyone. Guys. Please don't overtrade. Farewell.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Daniel. Bye.
Bye.